I found a nice camp for wild camping, a nice spot beside this gold mine there. You see it all around. There's holes in the mountain and there's a lot of mines. And well, I'm a bit south of Freinina. It's on the same height as Huasco, and now I'm going 250 kilometers on the small roads by the coast to the north. Everything is back together. So much stuff. And yeah, gonna hit the road. Boom, boom, boom. This is a rough road. Here we go. Thank you. See this? It's an old gold mine. You see the wash plant? There is gold around. Guys, I just left the wild camp spot, coming down over the mountain, and then I was coming down here and look at this. Isn't this awesome? Look at that. All the way nice down there, and down there in the valley at the very end there must be Freinina, and on the left there's the Pacific and Huasco. And you see at the very end, I don't know if you can really see it on the video, but at the very end between the mountains there's the road going up. Like there must be like 40 kilometers from here. Awesome. It's so much fun to ride around here. Look at the street, how it goes down, looks like a pyramid. Awesome. And no other cars, no traffic, no nada, no whatsoever. How I like it. How I like it. Little monument, or monument, I don't know, in memory of the mineros, of the miners, the probably died. Lots of gold mines, it's sure. Oh, there are the heads. Rest in peace, guys. There's a telephone. Yeah, mining is a dangerous business. Look at that. And now, head on to the Pacific coast. Check this out, this perfect little road along the coast to the north up here. We're a bit north of Huasco, like 88 kilometers north of Huasco. It's beautiful, and I'm alone. Look at this landscape here, it's unbelievable. Welcome to the Atacama. Brilliant.
No paro de buscarte, no dejo de stalkearte.
Hello, there's the Guanacos crossing. Haven't seen one yet though. Yeah, I'm looking for a spot to camp. And right here I'm looking for a spot to camp where it's not too windy. And right now I'm well in the middle of nowhere, and I found some spots in this valley down there, but I'm looking to see if I maybe get a nice view on the coast with the sun set. But yeah, let's see if I find something. It's beautiful anyways.
Todo es una
heating grips are super nice. Let's set up tent. Ah, it was a great day to ride. Woo! Super.
Tiempos para buscarme, ahora estás muy ocupado con tu vida, tu pasado. Cuando llegue el día y se encuentre tu boca con la mía, será el fin de mi agonía.
Quite some wind. Trying to set up the tent, but it's yeah, it's blowing in the wind. Look at this nice formation of stones here. Yeah, we are here in the middle of nowhere. Let's peek over where the sun is. Oh, it was a brilliant day today. Nice weather, not too warm actually. Wanted to stop like 10 times to put my pullover on, but then every time I stopped it was so windy that I would get too cold when I take the pullover off. Here we are. Like, yeah. You see the Pacific in the very back there? Yeah. And the rest, like nothing. Splendid. Yeah, I thought I'd take a spot down there to get rid of the wind, but actually it's the same down there. Well, anyway, anywho, now it's time to make some dinner. Get the sleeping bag out. Get the sleeping bag out and the mattress, and yeah, call it a day. And tomorrow, same as today. So, set up a tent, nice, good, looking fine. And then I walked over here and look who is there, in the middle of nowhere. Hello, little poopy. Hola, soy yo. In the middle of nowhere. I don't know where this guy is coming from, but well, he's gonna get some sausage today.